Multiple choice questions on Indian geography. Part 5. Question number 41. Which of the following landforms occupy the northwestern parts of Bihar State? Answer. Someshwar Hilly Range. Explanation. Someshwar Hilly Range occupy the northwestern part of Bihar State. Question number 42. The Andaman group of islands and the Nicobar group of islands are separated by which one of the following latitudes? Answer. 10 degrees. Explanation. The two islands groups, the Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Islands, are separated by the 10 degrees N parallel with the Andaman to the north of this latitude and the Nicobars to the south. Question number 43. Which of the following places of India experience highest atmospheric pressure during winter? Answer. Leh Desert. Explanation. Leh is a popular desert city in Himalayan region of Jammu and Kashmir during the winter season. The weather in India is typically influenced by the pressure distribution in the central and in western Asia. Question number 44. South Arcot and Ramanathapuram receive over 50% of their annual rainfall from which one of the following? Answer. Northeast monsoon. Explanation. Tamil Nadu receives rainfall in the winter season due to northeast trade winds. The normal annual rainfall of the state is about 945 mm, 37.2 inch, of which 48% is through the northeast monsoon and 32 through the southwest monsoon. Question number 45. The Kashmir region receives additional amount of participation during the winter brought by. Answer. Southwest monsoon. Explanation. Southwest monsoon is the main factor that is responsible for introducing maximum rainfall in Indian region. Question number 46. Which one of the following island is closest to the equator? Answer. Great Nicobar. Explanation. Great Nicobar Island is the Indian island which lies closest to the equator, and the Indira Point is the southernmost point that lies closest to the equator. Question number 47. The average temperature of the earth remains fairly steady as compared to that of the moon because of the. Answer. Atmosphere. Explanation. The average temperature of the earth remains fairly steady as compared to that of the moon because of the earth atmosphere. Question number 48. Which of the following region is in the very high risk zone of earthquakes? Answer. Himalayan region. Explanation. The very high risk zone of earthquakes in India is the zone 5, which is very severe intensity zone that is around Kashmir, Guwahati, the central and western of Himalayan region, northern and central Bihar and eastern India. Question number 49. Which of the following places in India is most likely to experience cyclone? Answer. Himachal Pradesh. Explanation. Pune is the most likely to experience cyclone among the four options. According to states wise, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Odisha, and one union territory, that is Pondicherry on the east coast and Gujarat on the west coast, are more vulnerable to cyclone disasters. Question number 50. Atmospheric pressure in the center of a tropical cyclone is. Answer. Very low because of rising warm air. Explanation. There is high pressure around and very low pressure in the center of a tropical cyclone. It is because warm air tends to rise and cause a drop in pressure. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe Rakesh VALASA channel.